Stop blaming age for your gray hair. These 6 foods act like a natural dye, and most people eat them the wrong way. Or not at all. What if I told you your gray hair might not be caused by aging alone, but by what's missing on your plate? Many people believe that once hair turns gray, there's nothing you can do except cover it with chemical dyes. But science and traditional wisdom both suggest something surprising. Premature graying is often linked to nutritional deficiencies, oxidative stress, and weakened hair follicles, all things that can be influenced by diet. Every strand of hair gets its color from a pigment called melanin. As we age, or when the body lacks key nutrients like copper, iron, vitamin B12, and antioxidants, melanin production slows down. The result? Hair gradually loses its natural color and turns gray or white. But here's the encouraging news. Certain foods contain powerful compounds that support melanin production, protect hair roots, improve blood circulation to the scalp, and fight the cellular damage that accelerates graying. In other words, they don't just mask gray hair. They help address the root causes from within. Think of these foods as nature's gentle, long-term hair treatment. They won't change your hair overnight, but with consistency, they can help maintain natural color, improve shine, and strengthen hair as you age. Today, I will share 6 remarkable foods that act like a natural dye for gray hair. Safe, affordable, and already available in most kitchens. By adding them to your daily routine, you may support healthier, stronger, and more youthful-looking hair without relying solely on artificial solutions. Let's begin. Black sesame seeds may be small, but they are considered one of the most powerful natural foods for maintaining youthful hair color. For centuries, traditional healing systems across Asia have valued these seeds as a longevity food, especially for hair, skin, and bones. What makes them so special is their dense nutritional profile. They are packed with copper, iron, calcium, magnesium, zinc, healthy fats, and powerful antioxidants. Hair gets its color from melanin, a pigment produced by specialized cells in hair follicles. Copper plays a critical role in the formation of melanin. When copper levels drop, melanin production can slow down, causing hair to lose its natural color and turn gray. Black sesame seeds are one of the richest natural sources of copper, making them especially valuable for people experiencing premature graying. In addition to copper, these seeds contain iron, which helps red blood cells carry oxygen to hair follicles. Proper oxygenation is essential for keeping follicles active and healthy. Weak or undernourished follicles are more likely to produce thinner, duller, or gray hair. Another important benefit of black sesame seeds is their healthy fat content. Hair strands are partly made of lipids, and these natural oils help keep hair soft, shiny, and resilient. Diets too low in healthy fats can lead to dry, brittle hair that breaks easily. Black sesame seeds also contain antioxidants that fight oxidative stress, one of the major drivers of aging, including hair aging. Free radicals can damage pigment-producing cells, accelerating the graying process. By neutralizing these harmful molecules, antioxidants help preserve the hair's natural color for longer. Regular consumption may also strengthen hair roots, reduce hair fall, and improve overall scalp health. Many people report that consistent intake over months leads not only to slower graying, but also to thicker and shinier hair. Adding black sesame seeds to your diet is simple. They can be sprinkled over oatmeal, yogurt, salads, rice dishes, or blended into smoothies. Some people prefer eating a small spoonful daily on an empty stomach, while others incorporate them into traditional sweets or energy balls. However, moderation is important because they are calorie-dense. A tablespoon per day is usually sufficient to obtain their benefits without excess calories. While black sesame seeds are not a miracle cure, they act as a powerful internal support system for hair health. Over time, they help nourish the body in a way that promotes stronger, darker, and more resilient hair. India has long been home to one of the most celebrated natural remedies for hair health, amla, also known as Indian gooseberry. This small green fruit has been used for thousands of years as a rejuvenating tonic for the body, and it is especially famous for promoting thick, shiny, and naturally dark hair. Amla's greatest strength lies in its extraordinarily high vitamin C content, far higher than most citrus fruits. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that protects the body from oxidative stress. a process in which unstable molecules called free radicals damage cells. When this damage affects hair follicles, melanin-producing cells can weaken or die, leading to premature graying. By neutralizing free radicals, AMLA helps preserve the health of these pigment-producing cells. This protective effect may slow down the graying process and maintain natural hair color for longer. But AMLA does more than just fight oxidative stress. It also supports collagen production. Collagen is a structural protein that strengthens skin, blood vessels, and connective tissues, including those surrounding hair follicles. Stronger follicles are better able to anchor hair securely and produce thicker, healthier strands. AMLA is also rich in polyphenols and other plant compounds that improve scalp health. A healthy scalp provides the ideal environment for hair growth and pigmentation. Inflammation, poor circulation, or microbial imbalance can weaken follicles and accelerate aging of the hair. Another benefit of AMLA is its role in iron absorption. Vitamin C enhances the body's ability to absorb iron from food. Since iron deficiency is a common cause of hair problems, including thinning and graying, AMLA indirectly supports hair pigmentation by helping the body use iron more effectively. Many people also find that AMLA improves hair texture, making it smoother and more manageable. This is partly due to its nourishing effect on the hair shaft and scalp oils. AMLA can be consumed in several forms: fresh fruit, juice, dried powder mixed with water, or herbal preparations. Even small amounts taken regularly can provide benefits over time. Consistency is key. Like most natural approaches, AMLA does not produce instant results. Instead, it works gradually, strengthening the body from within so that hair becomes healthier, more resilient, and potentially slower to turn gray. Curry leaves are often used simply as a flavoring ingredient, but they are actually a powerful nutritional tool for hair health. In traditional diets, they have long been associated with preventing premature graying and strengthening hair from the roots. These aromatic leaves are rich in iron, calcium, phosphorus, B vitamins, and antioxidants. Iron is especially important because it supports the production of hemoglobin, the protein in red blood cells that carries oxygen throughout the body. Hair follicles require a steady supply of oxygen and nutrients to function properly. Without it, they may weaken and lose the ability to produce pigment. Curry leaves also contain compounds believed to stimulate melanin production directly. While research is ongoing, many traditional health systems regard them as natural pigment boosters. For hair, another key advantage is their ability to support scalp health. Poor scalp condition, including dryness, inflammation, or microbial imbalance, can impair hair growth and pigmentation. The nutrients in curry leaves help nourish the scalp, promoting a healthier environment for follicles. B vitamins found in these leaves are essential for energy metabolism and cell renewal. Hair follicles are among the most rapidly dividing cells in the body, meaning they require constant nutritional support. Deficiencies in B vitamins can lead to weak, thinning, or prematurely gray hair. Curry leaves are also known to reduce hair fall. Stronger roots mean hair stays in place longer, giving follicles more time to produce healthy, pigmented strands. Incorporating curry leaves into meals is easy. They can be added to soups, lentils, rice dishes, vegetable stir-fries, or brewed into herbal tea. Some people even consume a few fresh leaves on an empty stomach as part of a daily wellness routine. Over time, regular intake may contribute to thicker, stronger hair with improved natural color retention. Blackstrap molasses is a thick, dark syrup produced during the final stage of sugar processing, and unlike refined sugar, it retains a remarkable concentration of minerals. It has long been used as a traditional remedy for fatigue, anemia, and hair health, including premature graying. One of its standout nutrients is iron. Iron deficiency can reduce oxygen delivery to hair follicles, weakening them and impairing pigment production. By supporting healthy red blood cell formation, iron helps ensure follicles receive the oxygen they need to function properly. Blackstrap molasses is also rich in copper, a key mineral required for melanin synthesis. Without sufficient copper, the body may struggle to maintain hair color. Regular intake of copper-rich foods may help slow the loss of pigmentation. Magnesium and calcium in molasses contribute to overall cellular health and energy production. Hair follicles require significant energy to produce new hair continuously. Nutrient deficiencies can disrupt this process. Another important component is selenium, a trace mineral that supports antioxidant defenses. Selenium helps protect cells from oxidative damage, which can accelerate aging and graying. Unlike refined sweeteners, blackstrap molasses provides nutritional value along with sweetness. A small amount can be stirred into warm water, milk, or oatmeal. Because it is still a sugar-containing product, moderation is essential, especially for individuals monitoring blood sugar levels. With consistent use, blackstrap molasses may support healthier hair growth and help maintain natural pigmentation from within.
Nuts and seeds are nutritional powerhouses that support nearly every aspect of health, including hair color. Almonds, walnuts, sunflower seeds, flax seeds, and pumpkin seeds provide a rich blend of healthy fats, protein, vitamins, and minerals. Copper is particularly important among these nutrients. As mentioned earlier, copper is essential for producing melanin. Without enough copper, hair may lose pigment more rapidly. Zinc is another critical mineral found in many nuts and seeds. It supports immune function, tissue repair, and cell division, all necessary for healthy hair follicles. Zinc deficiency has been linked to hair loss and poor hair quality. Healthy fats in nuts and seeds nourish the hair shaft, keeping it flexible and less prone to breakage. They also support the production of sebum, the scalp's natural oil that protects and conditions hair. Vitamin E, abundant in almonds and sunflower seeds, acts as a powerful antioxidant. It improves blood circulation and protects cells from oxidative stress, helping preserve follicle function. Regular consumption, about a small handful daily, can contribute to stronger, shinier, and more resilient hair. Dark leafy greens such as spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are among the most nutrient-dense foods available. They supply iron, folate, vitamins A and C, and numerous plant compounds that support overall health and hair vitality. Iron plays a central role in delivering oxygen to tissues. Hair follicles deprived of oxygen may shrink or become inactive, leading to weaker, thinner, or gray hair. Adequate iron intake helps keep follicles functioning optimally. Folate supports DNA synthesis and cell division, processes essential for producing new hair cells. Vitamin A aids in sebum production, which keeps the scalp moisturized. Vitamin C enhances iron absorption and supports collagen formation. Together, these nutrients create an ideal environment for healthy hair growth and pigmentation. Leafy greens also help reduce inflammation, another factor that can damage follicles over time. Incorporating them into salads, smoothies, soups, or cooked dishes can provide lasting benefits for both hair and overall well-being. Gray hair is a natural part of aging, but premature graying doesn't have to be inevitable. Your body reflects what you feed it. When you nourish yourself with the right nutrients, your hair often responds with greater strength, shine, and natural color. These 6 foods are not instant solutions, but they are powerful long-term allies in maintaining youthful hair from the inside out. Instead of relying only on external fixes, consider supporting your body at the root level, literally. If you found this helpful, take a moment to like this video, share it with someone who worries about gray hair, and subscribe for more science-based tips on healthy aging and natural wellness. Your future self and your hair will thank you.